Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your email campaigns with Constant Contact, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your email campaigns with Constant Contact, begin by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once logged in, navigate to the Email tab located in the primary menu. Locate the specific campaign you want to reset from the list of your email campaigns. Click on the campaign's name to open it. In the campaign dashboard, look for the Actions drop-down menu. Select Clone from the drop-down options. This will create a duplicate of your selected campaign. Now, you can go into the clone campaign and make any necessary changes. Review the email design, subject line, and content to ensure they align with your current goals. If needed, update your recipient list to target the right audience. Once you've finished updating your campaign, click on Save to keep your changes. You can also preview your email to see how it will appear to recipients. To send a test email to yourself, use the Send Test feature. Make any final adjustments based on your preview and test email feedback. When ready, return to the Actions drop-down menu. Select Schedule to set a date and time for your campaign to be sent. Alternatively, you can choose Send Now if you prefer immediate delivery. Confirm your settings and click Send or Schedule. Your updated email campaign is now reset and ready to reach your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.